Hi everyone, Jason here from Lawn Mowers Australia. Over the last few months we've had a few inquiries on the Facebook page and website just in regards to these mowers being able to cut a decent length of grass. Although it's not what they're designed to do, because they're generally designed to continually keep the grass maintained at all times. There's a few skeptics out there that sort of think they don't actually cut the grass. So what I've done in the last couple of weeks is I've turned my mower off in my own backyard. The grass behind me you can see is fairly lengthy and messy and certainly needs a good mow. And I've turned the mower off for the last 2 weeks, and we'll let it have a crack at it today. And I'll take a few close-up shots so you can sort of see the tracks that it leaves behind. It's the E1800 model with the brushless motor in it. So either the E1800 or the E1800T would be exactly the same as what I have here. This mower is actually nearly 3 years old now. Been maintaining this grass the entire time, and yeah, needless to say that I've not had to crack out a petrol lawnmower in 3 years. So I'll send this one back to its base, and we'll have a few close-up looks at how. Hey guys, before I get this thing started, I thought I'd just try and show you the current state of the lawn. I'm hoping these pictures come through okay, but I'll edit in and out what we need to later. But yeah, look, the lawn is quite long. It's Auatralia buffalo, this lawn, and so it's pretty thick and wide blade grass. Yeah, hi guys, I've just stopped the mower just to see if we can try and get some decent shots of the tracks that are actually cutting through the grass. Basically looking at the footage that's taken so far, it's difficult to really see what I'm actually seeing here on the grass. And basically you can see tracks going through the longer grass here. The mower has gone through with one pass and cut quite sufficiently. As you can see, it definitely makes a clean cut through the grass, and if you have a good look at some of the actual cuts on the grass, you'll see that the cuts are very, very clean. Very little damage done to the end of the grass plate. Hi guys, the mower's been running for probably only about 10 minutes so far. I just thought it's not a bad time to actually show just where the bits that are actually currently missed. So within sort of 10 minutes now, it's essentially it's picked up about probably 60% of the lawn, and it's left quite a lot of these sort of tough triangles that you can sort of hopefully you can see. Probably about 20 to 25 minutes into the mow now, and hopefully you can sort of see that that most areas have been covered. A nice spot that hasn't been grabbed at this point of time. I probably predict at this moment there's probably maybe 20 small areas, not much bigger than your hand, that have been missed. Sitting at around about 40 minutes, so the mower should stop very shortly. The grass is 99.9% done. I can see about 4 or 5 tall blades of grass standing up. You can actually tell by the sound of the mower as well, so that you can hear it's no longer actually cutting the grass, it's just clipping across the top. And this lawn is looking freshly mowed. Hopefully, for all the skeptics out there that seem to think that these mowers only run over the top and don't do anything, they now see that they do cut the grass. It doesn't really matter what the length is; they will get through it. But you know, the intention of the mowers is to mow more regularly and to keep that grass maintained at the same height all year round. So your grass always looks mowed, never looks out of shape, and you don't have to lift a finger to do so. So if you have any questions, any queries regarding these mowers or any other mower for that matter, we've got a good knowledge of pretty much all brands out there. Just get in touch with us either by phone, email at sales@robotlawnmowers.com.au, or on our webpage www.robotlawnmowers.com.au. On Facebook, just search Robot Lawnmowers Australia on Facebook, you'll find us, and we'll be more than happy to answer any queries you've got on our mowers or anyone's mowers. But give us a buzz and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching.